In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset or change your Spotify password on your phone. So if you want to find out how you can do this, keep watching the video and we'll get started right now. You want to make sure to open the Spotify app and click on the settings icon at the top right corner, which is right there. Now once you click on that, you will scroll all the way down and you should be able to find the support page right there. Then you want to click on support, which is going to send you over to support.spotify. Once you're there, you'll then be able to find reset your password, which if you cannot see it or find it, is right there. Click on it. Right there, you can then click on that blue link, go to password reset, enter your email or username. So that's exactly what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to enter my email, password reset. A message has been sent to you by email. Now next up, you want to go to your email. Go to your email and then right there, you'll be able to find that email and then click on this green link that says reset password. And right there, you can then create or change or basically get a new password. Now, if this video helped you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like for the YouTube algorithm. I would appreciate that if this helped you out. And then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.